Alright guys, coming back at you with another one. As you can see, amp is in, man. We finna actually go ahead and try to man, we just finna try to play with it. Alright, because I don't think I got enough battery power. I may do and I may not. It's a 120 amp hour bank of C-Max back there. Maybe enough, may not. I don't know. I've seen comments, I've seen people talking. Some people say that the amp power hungry, some say it's not, some say it do rated, some say it don't. It kind of like wishy-washy, up and down like a seesaw. But we ain't finna get into all that. What we gonna do, I'm grateful to have the amp. I'm happy. I ain't paying that for it. And if you want one like this, or one for this cheap price, it's a spot you can go to. I'm telling you. Look at Sky High Audio right now. They got one arm in stock right now, man. Check out Sky High Audio, man. Go get that motherfucker, man. Go get it. But I'm just gonna be 100, man. It's on the garage side of it now. Sky High Audio, Car Audio, the garage side. So run and grab it, man. If you need power, that's your go-to. Man, that thing like $700. And it's a discount code that you can get. I drop that discount code. You put that code in. Now you paying $640 for a whole Korean board amp. You can't beat it. But anywho, I just got the amp put in, man. I still got to clean up my wires and stuff, people. So don't judge me. I ain't even turned the amp up to clipping point because I ain't even got enough power in here to run it. So I just turned it to the point. I adjusted and set it on a 40 hertz tone, and I set it to the point that it will barely start to clip. I'm basically babying this amp. I'm babying it because I don't know if I got enough power. Truth be told, I've been having a few issues with this truck. I just redid the alternator probably roughly about a month or two ago. So with me doing the alternator about a month or two ago, it kind of iffy. Some iffy stuff going on there. Okay, at first the alternator was straight. Now I went down and I picked up the truck from Alabama. The reason why I didn't drive it back, we had to tow it back and take it to the shop and all this and that, was because it had a lot of issues dealing with the wiring. Not something that I had done, but something that just happened from it sitting over time. Basically, down in Alabama, it's a country area, and rats got to the wires, okay? So a lot of stuff had to be replaced. But we got all that replaced. We got everything up. I've been driving the truck around. I drove the truck back down to Alabama, and I also drove the truck to Atlanta. So I know I'm good. But my alternator, I just redid it myself. I changed the voltage regulator in the inside, put a 15-volt voltage regulator in it, and it woke it back up, but it's still not A1. So we're still finna give it a try and see what we're working with. If anything's singing out of whack, I'm telling y'all now, I'm bagging off for it, because I may have a warranty on the amp, but I'm not trying to tap shit in my truck because I ain't got no money to buy that now. So fuck that, let's get it. Alright guys, I was going in the metering and I think my alternator shot out on me. I know I ain't gonna try, but my alternator shot out on me, man. Man, I'm telling you, fuck. Hey, fuck it. Alright guys, so we got a problem. I put the amp in. And like I say, my electrical ain't that stout, but I still got to the point where I can get it playing. And I just want to do a little soft run of it just to see. And man, I already knew something was going on wrong, because when I first came out, my voltage was sitting kind of low. And then knowing when I start my truck, it go ahead and pick on up to like 15.6, 15.7. Not today. So Let's try to test out that alternator, man. But I pretty much know this damn thing shot. Alright, so first thing first, I'll start my truck up here. Make sure everything's turned off. I don't want no amps on there like that because we running on nothing but the real battery power. Yeah, turn head unit off. Turn that motherfucker off. Turn it off now. Shit. Alright, so. Oh, okay. I'm going to sit this down right here for a second. Well, guys, that's it with that. Cause that alternator is dead, man. It is crazy, man. But I can't complain. I done had that thing going here for probably about 2.5 years. And truth be told, man, shit, it already was fucked up when I went and got my truck because I actually redid it. And man, I'm not gonna redo it no more, so fuck. Guess I gotta sit back and sit out for a while. But did get the amp in. I just gotta clean up the wiring. I gotta clean up the wiring all through here, but first thing I always do before anybody judge me, this is my bill, not a customer bill, so I can take all my little precious little damn time. Alright, it's mine. That's just me. Alright, so basically, I got a lot of stuff still coming. It look like I'm finna have an alternator coming because it's some bullshit. The alternator came from eBay, and I had it for a long period of time, so I'm not even upset with it. I know people that have Mans and they have plenty more, and they all go out. So I'm not even upset about it. I'm not. But what I am finna do, I'm finna park this thing for a while and take a break from it. Okay, this shit can be exhausting, man. So, man, make sure y'all stay tuned because more is on the way. And like I say, man, I appreciate, in case I ain't tell everybody, man, I appreciate all my supporters, all my damn subscribers. Man, I appreciate everything, man, because y'all keep me going. I know a lot of folk like, man, that little baby ass bill he got, amp. I mean, you know, amp. A lot of people don't like JP amps and shit. Man, different scope for different folk. I don't want to run Brazil no more, all right? So I went to Korean. And I called it for a good deal, so fuck you. I mean, I know a lot of folk be like, oh, I would have got me a roofless 10K. I'm sorry, I ain't got mama and dad money. I got my hard-earned money. I pay my own bills, all right? I pay every bill around here, every car around here. I pay all this. So, you know, I'm doing a lot. I don't sit here and try to compete with the Jones. I just stay in my own, you feel me? My own little lane. So make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Like I say, I appreciate all my supporters. We out of here, man. Let's get it.
I don't know what this is on me. I see it differently, and it's happening consistently. Yeah. I don't know what this is on me. Is it a spell on me? I hope it's no hell in me. Yeah, don't let me go, don't let me down. Yeah. If I fall, would you catch me? Sometime my faith don't be around. Yeah. How do you trust someone that you can't see? I don't know what this is on me. I see it differently, and it's happening consistently. Yeah. I don't know what this is on me. Is it a spell on me? I hope it's no hell in me.